you guys remember, but I had planted some potatoes and I feel like my potatoes are ready. I feel like they're ready because I watched a YouTube video saying when my potatoes would be ready, and it was when they started dying like this. You know, I did hear that they thrive on some neglect. So anyways, they had gotten really pretty, like really pretty. Oh gosh, is that a bug? Okay, well this is fun. I probably shouldn't be digging in here like this. Should I just? Oh my cute. Oh my cute. They probably could have, you know, it's just my first time, okay? This is my first time. I feel like that's cute. Oh, look at these little baby ones. So maybe this wasn't ready, but here we are. Here we are pulling them out. Let's just go with it. Oh shit. Let's just go off. Oh, I think it was premature. This one was definitely premature. Guys, I'm not happy about my premature. Should I put them back in there? They look like they're dying. Ah, the bug! Ooh, I squished it. Okay, well, we've already committed to... Oh, here's one. Here's a good one. Where's that? The one that can't be the one I planted. The one I planted turned into plants. Anyways, would I do this again? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. I got 4. I got a Barbie potato in here. Oh, here's this. I'm a mess, guys. That so was not ready. I'm scared to touch that bug again. That bug. This is a huge... Oh. I think that's where it grew from. Oh, gross. Oh, gross. Oh, gross. I don't know what that is. One that is no longer with us. Or the original planted. Oh, gosh. I don't have a green thumb, can you tell? Sancho, I'm mad at you. Stop bringing things into the house. Here's another one, like a big one. And I think that might be where they got planted from, you know? Like the originals. And then the little baby ones. It was definitely not ready. Just, we've learned a lesson. We got, I don't know about this, but I'll probably throw that away. I'm gonna put some gloves on, perhaps. And recycle this, should I? This dirt? Or should I just throw it out here? That was gross. I should eat these though. I should eat these little. I got 2 Barbie potatoes. No, Sancho, you cannot have my Barbie potato. These are huge, even for Barbies. So, and then, so like 6 little tiny. Yeah, that's not gonna work. This is kind of crazy. I'm gonna put this dirt. Just because there is a spot in my yard that could use dirt, so why not just throw it in there, right? More dirt than that. Way more, but it's a start. And then this gooey, pussy looking thing, as in full of pus. Let's take a little harvest. Hilarities.